How to connect to your own data from the Power BI desktop client. Prerequisites for connecting to your own data include having your data saved locally or in the cloud, having the Power BI desktop client installed, and being connected to the Cisco AnyConnect admin VPN. Let's say we have this query that we've run in Azure Data Studio that we would like to bring into Power BI. So we can begin by selecting Save as Excel. We can either save it locally or to our OneDrive. In this case, we will be saving it locally. And then let's launch the Power BI desktop client. We're going to get our data from Excel. And if we saved it on the cloud, we would be using the University of Toronto option here. But since we saved it locally, we can find our file and open it. In the Navigator window, we will select our table, and you'll notice that this is the exact same data from Azure Data Studio, and then we will load it in. Give it a couple of seconds, and you'll notice the data appears on the right-hand side. And that's it, you successfully loaded your own data into Power BI desktop client.